Hey everyone, welcome back to Psychology Foreplay. Today, we're diving into a topic that's both fascinating and essential. 10 jaw-dropping facts about the vagina that might just surprise you. So, stick around as we unravel these incredible truths. Number 1. Self-cleaning wonder. Did you know the vagina is a self-cleaning organ? That's right. It maintains its health by producing natural secretions that help cleanse and balance itself. So there's no need for douching or other artificial cleansers. Number 2. Unique microbiome. The vagina is home to its own unique ecosystem of bacteria and yeast, known as the vaginal microbiome. This delicate balance is crucial for preventing infections and maintaining overall health. Number 3. Elastic and resilient. The vaginal walls are incredibly elastic and resilient. They can stretch significantly during childbirth and return to their normal shape afterward. It's one of the most adaptable organs in the body. Number 4. Complex sensory system. The vagina has an intricate network of nerve endings, making it one of the most sensitive areas of the body. This sensitivity plays a key role in sexual pleasure and arousal. Number 5. Hormonal influence. The vaginal environment is highly sensitive to hormonal changes. Menstrual cycles, pregnancy, and menopause can all significantly affect its health and function. Number 6. Varied pH levels. The vagina maintains a slightly acidic pH, which is crucial for preventing infections. However, this pH can vary throughout the menstrual cycle and can be influenced by diet and medications. Number 7. Unique odor profile. Every vagina has a unique odor, which is completely normal. Factors like diet, hygiene, and health can influence this natural scent, but it's nothing to be concerned about. Number 8. Historical significance. Throughout history, the vagina has held a place of significance in many cultures, often associated with fertility, femininity, and even spiritual practices. It's amazing how different societies have valued this part of the body. Number 9. Sexual health indicator. The health of the vagina can be an indicator of overall health. Changes in discharge, odor, or comfort can sometimes signal underlying health issues, making regular checkups essential. Number 10. Role in childbirth. During childbirth, the vagina undergoes an incredible transformation to accommodate the baby. It stretches and expands, showcasing its remarkable ability to adapt and recover. And there you have it, 10 jaw-dropping facts about the vagina that might just change how you view this incredible part of the body. If you found these facts as fascinating as I did, give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more amazing content. Have any questions or thoughts? Drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.